Namaste children. Today we discuss about the topic computer science. Chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. Introduction. Computer is an electronic device like TV, radio, etc. This is the desktop computer, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, modem, etc. This is monitor. This is the output device. This is the keyboard. It is a input device. Is this mouse? It is also input device. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Computer derived the word compute, which means to calculate. You know very well about the calculator. Importance of computer. Initially, it is used by engineers and scientists. Nowadays, it is used in banks, hospitals, airports, schools, offices, homes, railway stations, media and entertainment, space technology, and research industries, etc. Computer is a versatile device. It means able to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities. Evaluation of human beings. Evolution of computers. History of computers. Various calculating devices. Early IT inventors ENIAC and UNIVAC 1. Generation of computers. Types of computers. These are the main topics in this lesson. This is the picture. Explain the computer evolution. Earlier, it consumed more space. Nowadays, it is very small space. Laptop. In this present scenario, computer is a very important to us. It is totally directly and indirectly involved in our life. It is a advanced machine. History of computers. Calculating devices. Abacus, Pascal adding machine, Leibniz calculator. Abacus. Abacus. You know numbers. Abacus is a first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It is made up of wooden frame and rods. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has two beats. Each rod in earth has five beats. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Pascal adding machine. Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further developed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Earlier inventors of computers: Charles Babbage, Augusta Lovelace, George Woolley, Dr. Hermann Hollerith, John von Neumann, Howard Aiken. Thank you, children. We will discuss about computers in future classes. Thank you.